You making noises over there? Sounds like little tapping noises. Can you tap louder? Are you doing something to that cup? Can you knock over that cup? I don't know if those sounds are going to come out, but it's really faint. Does it even have anything in it? Very little. Can you tap on the wall, spirits? That was the fridge. Are you talking to my phone? I think these are all turned off. Let me see. Yeah. Maybe I'll turn them back on. I didn't see that RAM HD still on. Is this lantern on? Yep, lantern's still on. That just heard something over here. That RAM HD, that device with the two antennas, can you touch it? It plays music. Turn on that K2 tower thing. I didn't see 3 bars when I turned it on. But I think it might be the TV. Let's see. Even though it's off. Maybe. Where can I put you? Where can I put you? I was getting less EMF over there. I think. I don't know. I don't know. What was that? What the fuck? I just saw a burst of light right there. God damn it, I wasn't pointing over there. That's freaky. It was big. It was like... Can you do that again? That reminds me of the Poltergeist movie with the freaking ghost coming down the stairs. That was just a split second, too. This mic coming in. You can't open the door? I'm freaking out a little bit here. I said I'm freaking out a little bit here. Why? Because I saw something on the ceiling, a very bright, big burst of light. It was like the size of that TV on the ceiling. I was pointing over here at the damn time, though.
Headphone?
I've seen shit like that at home, but not that big. That was big. Burst of light.
So I went to go grab my card, and this was in my pocket.
What is it?
Debit card.
What, did you lose it or something?
No, it was in my pocket. I didn't put it back in my wallet.
Oh, that's scary. You could have dropped that.
I know. I would have been very upset.
I was hearing noises, too. I don't know if it's just the...
There was people outside. I saw them.
No, it sounded like little tapping. I don't know if it's your drink making noises.
My drink?
Yeah. Like little tapping noises. Anyways, I'm
I
not...
want to make tap